Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add image to gallery view on Notion. So find any empty space. I want you to type in / the gallery view. Okay, so you can click on this and here I'll create a new empty database. So here I want you to click on a new page. You can name this anything you want, for example, space, right? Then if you hover here at the top, you'll find this option that pops up. Add cover. I want you to go ahead and click on that. Now we can change this cover. Okay, here we have things from the James Webb Telescope. We have some images from NASA. All right, let's select this one. Okay, and here we go. We have the image. We can, of course, reposition this. You just click on here and drag the image to reposition. And if you're happy with it, just go ahead and save this position. So it's done, right? So we can close this one. Now, if you're wondering why this is not showing, don't worry, guys. It's perfectly fine. Click on these three dots. Okay. Now, if I come over here to layout, you'll see this option, card preview. It's showing the page content. Click on page cover. As you can see, now it appears, right? Now you can add as many pages as you would like. Let's say you wanted cats or anything like that. And come here to add cover. Okay, you can change this cover right here. And if you don't find the image you're looking for here, right? What you need to do is you can either upload a file from your PC. You can link one, an image maybe from Imgur, or you can come here and just search for it. Let's say you wanted to add cats, right? You just search for cats and choose the image that you want, right? And here we go. We have our cat added, right? Of course, you can reposition this as you would like. Perfect. And there you go, guys. It is really that easy and simple.